Have you ever wished you could turn a long, confusing word problem into a simple, elegant math sentence? That's exactly what algebraic expressions are for. They're a secret code for solving real-world puzzles. Let's take a taxi ride. Imagine it charges a $5 starting fee plus $2 for every kilometer driven. How do we write that as a math recipe? First, find the part that can change, the number of kilometers. That's our unknown, our variable. Let's call it k. The $2 per kilometer is a repeating cost, so it sticks right next to our variable, 2k. The $5 starting fee is a one-time thing. That's our constant. It just gets added on at the end. So the total cost for any trip is 2k plus 5. This structure, a repeating part with a variable plus a one-time amount, appears everywhere. A streaming service that costs $10 a month plus $1 per song would be S plus 10. Or a savings plan where you start with $50 and add $5 each week becomes 5W plus 50. The repeating action always gets the variable. But you have to watch the wording carefully, especially with subtraction. If a problem says 6 less than double a number y, it's not 6 minus 2y. You have to start with the double y, which is 2y, and then take 6 away from it. The expression is 2y minus 6. The order is crucial. And if you need to do something to a whole group first, like triple the sum of n and 5, you use parentheses to keep the group together. First, find the sum, n plus 5, and then multiply the whole thing by 3. Learning to write these expressions is more than just math. It's about turning stories into a clear set of instructions, a fundamental skill that lets you build a model of the world and find the solution.